What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since you and I last saw each other, but I am running out of the usual luxury cars that you guys like to see. Things are a little slim right now, so I have to make do with this. It's 2011 Hyundai Sonata. Got a little over 100,000 miles. It's literally nothing special, but I don't do these super cheap cars that often. So let's take a look at this and see what we're working with here. How does the other side live? It's kind of neat though. It's got rear heated seats. I wasn't expecting to see any of that. Alright, so this is surprisingly not the worst backseat I've been in an economy car. Somewhat decent legroom for what it is, and we actually have the rear climate vents here and the heated rear seats. I did a Volkswagen a couple months ago. It was a Jetta or a Passat, and Acura Integra, the new one, and didn't even have climate vents in the back. So good on Hyundai here. What is going on with those brands though? Gotta see how the front does. And keyless entry. Let's see what we got. And now time for the button test. And now for the final button. There's your odometer, in case you're curious. Alright, how did this do? Guys, I didn't go into this review with really high expectations. I expected this to sort of be average, maybe a little bit below average quality. It doesn't have to be a high quality car by any means. But this actually did somewhat okay. A few squeaks in here, but I've seen a lot worse. Like, for example, this little area here with the gauges, with these little things sticking out. I don't know what this piece is called. Let me know in the comment section. That doesn't squeak, but in a Mercedes with the exact same piece, it does. Just as an example. The interior was mostly good, but the few things that did squeak were pretty squeaky. I'd give it a 6 out of 10. Would give it 5, but the overhead console and the glove box were pretty solid. So I like that. And then there was one kind of extra squeaky part in the back seat on the door, as you saw. So there we go, 6 out of 10 for fit and finish. As far as the materials go, this is where I'm a little bit more surprised. We have a lot of soft touch going on the door here, aside from by the window buttons and whatnot. A little bit of hard plastic here right above the gauges, and in the sort of mid to lower part of the car, it's going to be hard, nasty plastic. Otherwise, we got, I guess this is hard plastic too, but it's got a little bit softer texture than what's down here. Weird little difference there. That's kind of the way the whole dash is. It's hard, but with a soft texture. And then once you get to this part and lower, like you see this line, that's just straight up hard. It is what it is, though. I do like the seats in here, so I think these Sonatas are really basic. I think this is some kind of upgraded model. It's got this fake leather seat going on here. I do like that quite a bit, and it's heated too, so that's a big plus actually. Then we have cloth headliner and sun visor, which some car companies that cost way more money get this wrong and do a plastic sun visor instead. And I've never seen this before. This is like a little light switch if you want to open up your mirror but you don't want the light on. I've never seen a car actually give you the choice to do that. That's quite interesting. And then the buttons are in here are cheap, literally nothing special. I don't really have much to say about the buttons or the switchgear. It's just whatever, cheap. So materials wise, I would give this a 4 out of 10. I'm gonna bump it up to 5 because I do like that they have at least some fake leather seats and a cloth sun visor. So there we go, 5 out of 10 for materials. So your guys' final score is 6 out of 10 for fit and finish, 5 out of 10 for materials. Please let me know your thoughts. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time.